Hey guys, how you doing over here? Hopefully everybody's doing great today. So I'm gonna do a dollar store find video, guys. And I might do these in the future. We'll see how it goes. Because you can get everything in a dollar store for $1, which is kind of incredible, you know? So I found this LED glow art, and it's kind of like those night brights or daylights or whatever they used to be called. Remember those things back in the day? So this is a pretty cool LED one, again, for $1. And as long as you're over 5 years old, I guess it's safe, they're saying. And if you look what the box says, uses 3 AAA batteries, not included. So that'll probably cost you another buck for the batteries. A little sneaky, but that's okay. So it's going to include 1 board piece and 50 pegs. So that's a pretty good deal for a buck, guys, you know? So let's open up this box and I'm going to show you what we got. We got all the pegs. And I'm going to be honest with you guys. The first one I picked up in the store didn't come with the pegs. So either they forgot or someone took them, which is a no-no. So if you're going to get one of these, check for the pegs. And also I want to say that these are pretty rare, guys. I haven't seen them in the dollar stores in about a year. In some dollar stores, I only found one dollar store that actually had them, put it that way. So people gobble these up like Pac-Man, I guess. So here's the base, guys, which is a pretty cool blue color. And you can see you got all the slots. And then if we go to the bottom, here's the on-off switch, right? And it's got little instructions, just tells you the AAA batteries and everything. And how's it look when you turn it on, guys? There we go. So you can see the base glows up pretty cool, and that's going to glow here when you put the pegs in. But we're not to that point yet. And again, guys, this is like 3¼ inch, you know, going horizontal and vertical. And the thickness is only 2 inches. So this is really, you know, you see my hand covers it. Great for small travel size. You know, just something to play with at night or outside, or maybe if you have some youngins taking some long trips in the car. So let's open up the pack of pegs, guys. We'll just put them on the ground a little bit here. And they got a few different colors, as you can see, which is cool. You know, you got blue, pink, purple, green, white. You know, and you're just going to put them in like so, and they go, you know, right in. So, I don't know, you can make different designs, get all silly with it, maybe make a flag. You know, and these are pretty neat. I can tell that they're not super strong, but if they give you 50 pieces, I mean, that's a pretty good amount. So, just trying to get some different colors in here. And maybe you could even write like little, like you could probably write hi, you know, different kind of lettering maybe, you know, and again, you can put them in all different ways, all different angles. Let's see, I guess I probably should have thought of the design to do at the present, you know, and they go in pretty quick, pretty easy, guys. I don't really know what I'm making here. Maybe I'm making a little flag. I don't know. Is that what I'm doing? Kind of. So we'll turn that on. Turn the lights out first, guys. You ready? Here we go. Turn another light off in the background. That's pretty cool, guys. That lights up really nice and bright. So that's pretty neat. You know, and if all the lights were out, obviously it would probably pop a lot more. You know, and they're easy to take out, and obviously you can do it when it's on or off, which is pretty neat. You know, and you can put it sideways. It kind of stands up on its own, which is pretty cool. So I actually made one ahead of time, guys, with another unit, because you can get creative. So look at this over here, guys. This is actually a smiley face, which is really cool, as you can see. And I'll show you how that looks with the lights out. And let's see, guys. So look at that, guys. I mean, that's pretty cool. You know, we got a little happy smiley face person. Or maybe you could even make flowers. I could see how these might be flowers, and you can make flowers. You know, so you could probably make all different kind of designs if you're really creative, if you're really crafty. I'd actually be interested to see what some people made if there was a way. But yeah, guys, you can't beat these for $1. But again, just like if you saw my previous video with the LED 100-watt bulbs, they're really hard to find in stores, guys, because they just sell out as soon as they get them. And I haven't seen these in a while, to tell you the truth. So you can get these on Amazon, I noticed. They're $5, which isn't bad. That way you don't have to drive to the store. You don't have to worry about if the pegs are missing or not. So if you want to get them for $5, I'll put a link in the description below on Amazon. Because again, they're really cool. You know, I love the small size. So I guess that's about it, guys. If you'd like me to do more dollar store find and reviews, let me know. I think it could be pretty cool, you know, what we can find for $1 in the store. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, guys, and ring that bell. Ding, ding, ding. And that's about it, guys. So enjoy the rest of your day, night. Keep it bright, especially at night. All right, see you later, alligators.